Hi everyone, I'm Aditya and welcome back to the channel. Today I just thought I will show my room. I'll show the apartment where I am staying and I will show you some of the luggages, how I have packed and what are the things I have brought to Germany for 3 months. Obviously everything will not be enough. I will have to purchase something from these shops as well. This video is only going to be about room tour, luggage. So yeah, let's get this thing started. I have brought two luggages, 1 and 2. This is universal towel adapter and I already started using it. Here is the plug point for it. Okay, this one I don't know why I brought. I thought I will use this, but in the German rooms there won't be fan. I didn't use it yesterday night. These are my clothes. These are my washing materials. Some chutney pudi here. I think there is butter, ghee and pickle. On this side I have my socks and some of the documents in case I lost my suitcase in the airport, so that someone can bring clothes to clean the room, and my medical and toilet kit. This is my second luggage. This is my cooler fan for my laptop. I will just keep it on the table. I'll also keep this here. I checked with the airport security guys. They told it is okay to put charger inside the bag. Mainly this is my food bag. I have got lot of ready to eat stuff. You can see all these things which are packed ready to eat, and these are some of the sambar powder, sara powder. This is a good. I got Bonita. I don't know whether I'll get it here at a cheaper price. This is sugar and salt. Yeah, this is my ready to eat. You can see here masala rice, like this masala rice, tomato rice, bisarubat and all those things I have taken. Basically this is it. So welcome to the tour of my room. I think I like the room. It's spacious and there is proper ventilation. You have one cupboard. Basically I have kept my clothes here which I wore yesterday, and I have not yet taken out any clothes from my bag. This is the blanket which they gave. I am not using it. I didn't feel cold yesterday night, so I just brought this from home and I'm using the same. Even this bedsheet is also, I brought it from my home in Bangalore. And a pillow cover, but since this pillow is huge I can't put it inside. This is the heater. This won't be needed now, but once it gets cold in the October-November month, you can use the heater. These are some small compartments. This is the converter. I brought two converters from two different companies in case one fails or doesn't work. This is my laptop. Here I have kept my camera box, and I kept my passport also somewhere here. Yeah, this is a euro. If you had not seen earlier, this is the first time at least I am seeing. This is a small window I had, and you get the views of the road. Yeah, so that's the room tour. As soon as I come out of my room, this is the corridor. Right in front is the bathroom. You have all the cleaning stuff there, and the view from here is quite good. After this, right here is another just a toilet. So this is the kitchen area. Yeah, it's quite spacious. I came late yesterday night around 1 o'clock, so the lady who was beside my room, she was vacating today, so she was cleaning her stuff and she opened the door for me. She's going to Netherlands for higher studies or something like that, and she left these chocolates for the flatmates, and probably I'm gonna sneak some soon. This is the toaster, stove, and the different compartments to keep all this stuff, plates, glasses and all this stuff. This is the fridge. Again, she has left a note that she has left some stuff if anyone wants to use. So each compartment belongs to each room. Since this is empty, I'm gonna take this one. I have coffee makers, microwave. I just spoke with a flatmate. She told this is used for common items like toilet paper and stuff like that. Every month we have to pay 3 euros or put it inside this piggy bank, and we can buy it, and we have to keep the bills here. These are stuff like when we can throw the trash out, when they will come to collect and stuff like this. I've taken an image and I have to do the Google translation, and this is the cleaning chart. So this is the calendar week, and every week, like I don't know what this is. One would be kitchen, bed, bathroom, and stuff like that. So we have to clean once a week. These are the other 3 rooms. Here you keep all this cleaning stuff like vacuum cleaner, mopping, and all the other stuff. There is actually a washing machine in the basement, it seems. This is the corridor, and this is where we can dry the clothes at the top. I will go out to purchase bread, some milk and stuff like that. Then I will come and cook some rice sambar or something. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I haven't eaten anything since yesterday evening, the snacks which I had in the flight, because since it was late yesterday night I couldn't eat and I was not even hungry. So I'll just go out to shop now and purchase something. I hope my voice is audible. Since I am wearing mask, I don't know how loud or how audible my voice is. I came out now just to see around what is there where and how to go around. Currently my plan is to find a supermarket or something. It's the first time I'm coming out in the streets, so let's explore together. I have downloaded the offline maps now, but I don't see any supermarket in this way. Today morning I woke up early around 8 o'clock because of all this traffic noise. My apartment is right beside the road, so I get to hear a lot of cars. Thought I will feel hot in the room since there is no fan, but yeah, it was pretty okay once I opened up the window. After roaming the streets for a while, I went to my room to prepare rice. My friend called me and said he will accompany me to the supermarket. I checked the location in maps and hopped on a bus and a train and went to the supermarket. Since we have a €9 pass for this month as an offer from German government, we traveled for 30 minutes to another region called Leonberg and went to a supermarket. It's similar to Indian stores like Big Bazaar, where you get pretty much everything. I bought milk, curd, apples, bread and a ketchup. Then we went to the bakery counter and I bought a spinach roll and donuts to eat since I was starting to feel hungry now. I reached my room and immediately started cooking. I kept for rice and opened up Shahi Paneer, which is a ready to eat from NTR. I have brought cooker, a vessel and couple of spoons and a measuring cup along with me since I am sharing the kitchen with others in my first month of stay. I will be moving out to a new apartment after a month. On the next day, I explored the local transportation and went to a hill called Württemberg. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next vlog.